In this course, we'll talk about building high-quality one-way backlinks by submitting applications to software directories. Now, I'm not talking about sending a polite email to somebody in your niche and asking nicely if they would like to exchange links with you. Those reciprocal links are not much use to anybody anymore. That's not going to work for you. I'm talking about getting a lot of quality backlinks. I'm sure you've got a lot of questions right now about how to create applications, how to submit them. Are you going to have to spend money on programmers, etc.? Before you continue coming up with excuses, let me tell you that you won't need to spend any money at all in order to make this work for you. You'll need just a little extra time. You'll probably spend more time learning from this course than you will building your backlinks. To be successful at internet marketing, I realized it was a numbers game. You must do the same. You have to seek out top-notch sites and exceptionally useful sites. Open accounts with each and every one of them, and then submit your material as you create it over and over again. When it comes to backlinks from software directories, this niche is pretty untapped. I don't know why, but not a lot of people use this link building method. My best guess would be that people are afraid of software, and the second they hear the word software, they start thinking that they have to pay to get these applications set up for them. That's a huge misconception. Applications don't need to be complicated. One of the questions that I've been getting a lot from my students is how soon will the backlinks appear after submitting? Because software directories are quite reputable, it won't take a lot for them to index you and for Google to catch up on the backlinks. Many of the backlink sites will index and list your website link and content within the same day as submitting. Others may take a few days to a week before listings are live. When it comes to the link juice that these links can provide, the results are great. If you don't know what link juice is, let me tell you. Link juice refers to search engine page rank, link popularity, and link traffic. All of the backlink sites provide an incredible important feature, one-way direct links to your website, which search engines and users will follow to discover your website and new content. This is an especially important SEO feature for brand new websites seeking to be indexed by the search engines and for established websites looking for exposure to new search engines. In addition, many of the backlink sites include recently added areas on their high-traffic homepages where your link will be posted and discovered by both search engine robots and users alike. Here's what I'll be teaching you in this course. How to create a simple exe file using an article. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to create an exe file and how to integrate an article into it. This article should be closely related to your niche. First, we'll go through some websites together and download a few applications, and then, with the help of these applications, I'll show you how to create, format, and turn the article into an exe file. I will also show you how to take a screenshot of your article that we'll later use when submitting this exe file. In the next video, I'll show you how to create a browser toolbar. We'll register together on a website, and then I'll quickly browse through all of the options available and show you how to change the logo of your browser, how to add new widgets to it, etc. This is going to be very fun, and you can put your creativity to use. How to create a pad file. Pad files are used for submitting applications to software directories. When you submit an application to a software directory, you need to enter a lot of information in order to make yourself identifiable to the website. However, If we use a pad file, we can pre-fill the pad file with our information and information about our application, and then we can submit the same pad file to multiple directories without having to enter all of our information all over again. The pad file will contain all that information, so we'll save a lot of time by doing this. Finally, I'll show you how to submit this pad file to multiple directories and how to find and use some automatic tools for submission. That's pretty much the overview of this method. Without any further ado, let's get started with the method. Please continue by opening the second video.